We're over here at Piney Grove Elementary, where I brought Lily at today to venture out a little bit to see how she acts. But I don't know about taking the leash off of her and letting her run because she's not used to it, and this is a different atmosphere for her. But we out walking, and we want to see how she do. For Lily, for is out. She ain't studying the ball now because she's out. Something she wants to do. But we thought we would do a little, come over here and do uh, one or two skits, and then find our way back to the house. You know, a little outing for her. You know, look like she likes it. Look, hmm yeah, this is an elementary school. Uh, come, let's go. Come on. She wants to pull you where she want to go. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lily's channel. Yeah, she likes that. Uh-huh. Yeah, she likes that. Come on. She likes that. Being able to spread her wings a little bit. I do know they got some mosquitoes. Lily done TT'd again. Hmm Yeah. Yes. Hey, Lily. You gonna say hey to the fans? Lily, say hey. Hey. Yeah, look at her. She's so excited. She's real excited. My man Lily say, Mama got me out today. You know? Hello, everyone. We're over here at Piney Grove Elementary. She just, and then maybe to tire out